mashed potato. I'm going to add salt. Cover and allow to cook until soft before mashing. Now let's check on the potatoes. It's ready. I'm not going to sieve it so that it doesn't get cold. If it gets cold, it will be hard to pass through the sieve. So I'm going to mash it like this. This is big work. If you don't have strength, come up body for this one. Just mash it with your potato masher. So if you don't have strength, please don't do this one. Come up body because you need strength for this one. You can use any other easy method, but I like this one. Gives me that smooth texture. You see how fluffy it is. So I'm gonna continue like this until I'm done. You guys, look at that. Do you see the smooth texture when you use the sieve? You can add butter if you prefer. Me, I don't like adding butter. So do what is best for you. I'm going to stir to combine, just to have that creamy consistency. Stir and stir. This is massive. Very big potato mash for the whole family, and also we have visitor here. That's why I made it big. Look at that goodness. That goodness, you guys. Very smooth. Very smooth. This is pepper soup and mashed potato. Match made in heaven. If you haven't tried it, give it a try, yo. You guys. Manuel, is it okay? Is your mash okay now? Sorry. You guys, I'm so tired to eat my own food. So you eat it like agidi and pepper soup. Look at that. Match made in heaven. Oh wow. Like this and this. Honey.
What are you doing?
I'm showing them how to eat mash and pepper soup. After trying this, you will not eat your pepper soup any other way. Even if they give you agidi, you will not eat your pepper soup with agidi.